My name is Steph, welcome. And here I live and garden in Massachusetts in a zone 6B, 7A. I've been gardening for over a decade and have been sharing my gardening journey here on YouTube for the last 4 years. On my channel, you'll find a variety of gardening content, such as do-it-yourself projects that usually include my multi-talented garden assistant and husband, George. Together, we've documented some great projects, such as transforming our backyard from having a children's playground into a beautiful Japanese maple garden that features a collection of different maples and conifers. This area has been a work in progress in our garden, and each year we add a little bit more. Just recently, we created a cozy outdoor room to sit and enjoy this garden space. I love to share planting projects with you, whether I'm adding something new or changing out plants because something didn't work. We do garden tours on my channel, both in my garden and in the beautiful gardens of friends. This is a fun and great way to observe how the garden is ever changing throughout the seasons. It also provides lots of inspiration on different plants and combinations to incorporate into the garden. I take you to local nurseries and garden centers as I explore their inventory and share plant education based on my experience. I give you tips to make your garden thrive. Whether I'm teaching seed starting techniques, providing pruning and fertilizing tips, or sharing the ups and downs of tending a garden, my goal is to inspire you with a practical, budget-friendly approach to growing and creating beautiful spaces. So if this sounds like your kind of content, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. It is free to do so, and it just allows YouTube to let you know the next time that I post a video. So thank you all so very much for being here and being part of my Hooked and Rooted community.